Here are the top losers and gainers on September 21, 2022. As the market closed last night, there were top tickers with max loss and gain. Here are the top 10 losers and top 3 gainers. Brought to you by Core. Let's begin with top 10 losers. Number 1, Design Therapeutics Incorporated, ticker symbol DSGN, negative 19.63% change. Design Therapeutics Incorporated engages in the development of therapies for the treatment of genetic diseases caused by nucleotide repeat expansions. Why is it moving? Design Therapeutics shares are trading lower after Goldman Sachs initiated coverage on the stock with a sell rating and a $10 price target. Number 2, Intercept Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, ticker symbol ICPT, negative 16.85% change. Intercept Pharmaceuticals Incorporated focuses on the development and commercialization of therapeutics to treat progressive non-viral liver diseases in the United States, Europe, and Canada. Why is it moving? Intercept Pharmaceuticals shares are trading higher after the company announced Advanz Pharma will acquire Aclavia in PBC and markets out of the US for up to $450 million. Number 3, Rhythm Technologies Incorporated, ticker symbol IRTC, negative 14.8% change. Rhythm Technologies Incorporated provides ambulatory electrocardiogram monitoring products for patients at risk for arrhythmias in the United States. Why is it moving? Rhythm shares are trading higher after the company provided comment on the recently released Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services Medicare Physician Fee Schedule proposed rule for calendar year 2023. Number 4, ZLAB Limited, ticker symbol ZLAB, negative 12.68% change. ZLAB Limited develops and commercializes therapies to treat oncology, autoimmune disorders, infectious diseases, and neuroscience. Why is it moving? ZLAB shares are trading higher. Not seeing company-specific news from the session. Number 5, VERU Incorporated, ticker symbol VERU, negative 9.81% change. VERU Incorporated focuses on developing medicines for the management of cancers. Why is it moving? VERU shares are trading higher, not seeing company-specific news from the session. The FDA recently scheduled an October 6 AdCom meeting for emergency use authorization of sabizabulin for hospitalized COVID-19 patients at high risk for ARDS. Number 6, Innotiv Incorporated, ticker symbol NOTV, negative 9.46% change. Innotiv Incorporated provides drug discovery and development services to pharmaceutical, chemical, and medical device industries. Why is it moving? Innotiv shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q3 sales results. Number 7, Alcoa Corporation, ticker symbol AA, negative 9.46% change. Alcoa Corporation produces and sells bauxite, alumina, and aluminum products in the United States, Spain, Australia, Iceland, Norway, Brazil, Canada, and internationally. Why is it moving? Alcoa shares are trading lower after Credit Suisse lowered its price target on the stock from $63 to $50. Number 8, G1 Therapeutics Incorporated, ticker symbol GTHX, negative 9.26% change. G1 Therapeutics Incorporated engages in the discovery, development, and commercialization of small molecule therapeutics. Why is it moving? G1 Therapeutics shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q1 EPS results. Number 9, Seritage Growth Properties, ticker symbol SRG, negative 9.05% change. Seritage Growth Properties is a publicly traded, self-administered and self-managed REIT with 166 wholly owned properties and 29 unconsolidated properties. Why is it moving? Seritage Growth Properties shares are trading higher after the company appointed Adam Metz as chairman. Preliminary proxy materials also indicated the board recommended shareholders to approve a proposed planned sale. And number 10, Pliant Therapeutics Incorporated, ticker symbol PLRX, negative 8.8% change. Pliant Therapeutics Incorporated discovers, develops, and commercializes novel therapies for the treatment of fibrosis and related diseases in the United States. Why is it moving? Pliant Therapeutics shares are trading lower after the company announced the pricing of its upsized underwritten public offering of 10,810,811 shares at $18.50 per share. Here are the top 3 gainers. Number 1, American Eagle Outfitters Incorporated, ticker symbol AEO, positive 0.37% change. American Eagle Outfitters Incorporated provides clothing, accessories, and personal care products under the American Eagle and Erie brands. Why is it moving? American Eagle Outfitters shares are trading lower after the company reported worse than expected Q2 EPS results. Number 2, Nordstrom Incorporated, ticker symbol JWN, positive 0.36% change. Nordstrom Incorporated provides apparels, shoes, beauty, accessories, and home goods for women, men, young adults, and children. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the retail and apparel sector are trading lower amid overall market weakness as August CPI readings showed inflation came in greater than expected. This has caused economic concerns and raised expectations for more aggressive Fed policy, which could negatively impact discretionary spending. And number 3, PIMCO Active Bond Exchange Traded Fund, ticker symbol BOND, positive 0.16% change. The fund normally invests at least 80% of its assets in a diversified portfolio of fixed income instruments of varying maturities, which may be represented by forwards or derivatives such as options, futures contracts, or swap agreement. Why is it moving? Shares of several real estate companies are trading lower amid market weakness as the coronavirus pandemic continues to take its toll on the economy. The virus has made it more difficult to look at and invest in real estate. That was the roundup of top tickers with max loss and gain. We hope you found this interesting. You can head over to Core anytime and search your favorite stock and see why it moved. Which is not only a free stock portfolio monitoring software, but also where you can find analysis comments, stock news, and more. If you benefited from this video, hit subscribe, leave a comment and give it the thumbs up. Have a suggestion? Let us know. Thanks for watching.